Let's go in the doghouse and do something. Pretty warm out here, pretty humid. Let's see what is the temperature. Oh, it's not bad. It's only 80 degrees. Sorry, Rocker Pat. And in the doghouse, look at the temperature. It's unreal in here. So nice and cool. It's 70 degrees here in the doghouse. It is so nice and cool in here all the time. That's why I spend so much time out here. Yeah. Rocker Pat is 100 degrees. That was only 30 degrees difference, Pat. Stay cool, man. What do we want to work on today? Let's fix those jack posts. Hey guys, back at the doghouse today. Last week I showed you I bought these stands for underneath the truck for when it's up in the hoist, just as a safety feature. I really don't like the way they're selling. There's too much play. So they put that's broken chain. Piece of shit. Anyway, when it's up high, look. You know, and somebody's here helping me or whatever, and they put this under here, and it's like that. But to me, that's not safe. Like, holy shit. So I'm going to sturdy this here up a wee bit. So hang around and see what I do. You can see the tilting that way. To me, that's just not right. Here, you can see that it's 86 degrees. Yeah, so right now I'm gonna get that sitting straight. There, welded 2 extensions on there. That'll keep them a lot sturdier. Just have to paint them up and they're all done. There we go, done. Got a nice extension on here. Sits a lot better. Plus got longer bolts. These here go all the way through. Don't have to worry about it. There, this is a lot better now. Plus with these here, these bolts go all the way through. And before, if I grab it like this here to pull it, the whole thing would come out. But this here, the way with this extension on here, you can lift the whole thing up. Don't have to worry about it. Yeah, anyway, you see that's a lot straighter. That's a lot better. 89.5 degrees, say 90 degrees. That's cool. So anyway, guys, it's all fixed up. I like it. I feel a lot safer underneath here. And yeah, you guys should invest in some of these for 200 bucks. What the heck, eh? I'd rather be safe than sorry. So anyway, see you later. Thanks for dropping in. Bye now. Now remember, these are only to balance the vehicle. They're not to lift stuff. You can to a certain degree, but they're narrow. They're narrow pipes, and they're only good for balancing. So you try to lift up a motor or transmission, it's not going to do it. It's going to move it up a wee bit so you get a bolt in or whatever for adjustments. Makes a great third hand when heat's not around. But anyway, think before you do shit. You know what I'm saying?